Enter Bitmain official website. Go to firmware download under customer support. Click on firmware download. Click here to open options. Choose antivirus tools. Download this file. Open the download software. Click here to add IP segment. Click the plus sign to add. Click the IP segment to add your own router IP. Click save and OK. Check this place first, then start scanning. Find the IP of the machine based on its uptime. Enter the found machine IP. Enter the account password. The default is root. Enter the machine running status interface. Here is the real-time computing power of the machine. Here is the average hash rate of the machine. Here is the rejection rate of the mining pool. Here is the running time of the machine. Here is the working pool. Here is the running status of each hash board. This interface configures your own mining pool. Set up IP here. Reset password here. Update firmware here.